Numbers, baffling. Test match numbers embedded in this. Do you want to bat first, or do you want to make sure the opponent's bat?
Nicely played. And it's beaten the fielder. It'll find the boundary too. Played away into the gap, and he will find the boundary, KL Rahul.
Beautiful. Gorgeous looking shot.
Using his feet down the ground. That's done so easily, but I promise you it's not as easy as it looks.
ये नो बॉल थी तो बहुत बढ़िया कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया इन्होंने. क्रीज के इतने दूर से एंगल के साथ गेंद अंदर ही आनी थी.
Rawat. There it is. In the air, but it's going to elude the fielder.
But a fast bowler or a medium fast bowler lasting that long and finding his name in that list. And let's talk about what Rahul is doing. Another 50 to his name. Backing up with 100 in a quarter-final game. He's been shining as far as Karnataka is concerned. Just 4 coming from this over. So that's the story as far as first session is concerned. Umpire is saying it's lunch time. 133 for 1. इसी का जिक्र कर रहे थे कि आसान होने वाला है नहीं.
Just stood, extended his arms, and the ball went sailing past the rope. Totally in control, and he chose the right delivery too. It was tossed up a little bit.
बेहतरीन कदमों का इस्तेमाल और ये खास चीज रही है इन दोनों की बल्लेबाजी के बारे में अगर बात करें.
Little bit of a shimmy after the ball's left the bowler's hand, keeping the shape of the shot. Talk about textbook, that could be front cover. Gorgeous. And then the double teapot is out. Shot. How pretty is that? How effortless is that? There you go. Just stand and deliver. Little bit of a shimmy. Just gets to it, and look at the beautiful hands through the ball. Maintaining the shape of the shot, not overhitting it. I could go on, but over to Vivek.
जब आपके स्पिनर्स ने सारी विकेट्स निकाली हो थोड़ा सा.
That'll be it. The 25th 100 for KL Rahul in first class cricket. Back-to-back hundreds. And absolutely composed right through his innings.
कमाल की पारी खेली. अगर केएल राहुल की हम बल्लेबाजी की बात करें, बैक टू बैक का शतक क्वार्टर फाइनल्स में मुंबई के खिलाफ शतक जब वो रन चेज में थे, और यहाँ पर पहली पारी पहला दिन सेमीफाइनल का.
की फील्ड लगाई थी उसका हर जवाब है केएल के पास.
Some have been taken. Ooh, off the stumps that was.
खिलवाड़ सा कर रहे हैं अब तो गेंदबाज के साथ.
And I think KL Rahul heard me, if not anybody else.
दर्शनीय.
Chance. Gone. Against the run of play.
जिस विकेट की हम बात कर रहे थे, जरूरत थी ऑन साइड पर खेलने की कोशिश. लीडिंग एज, कॉटन बोल्ड. एक साझेदारी 278 रन की साझेदारी हुई थी इन दोनों के बीच.